In a sunlit living room, a beagle chases a squeaky sock as a cat uses a curtain as a stage. The cat springs midair, lands in a heroic pose, and the dog applauds with a wag. Next, a tabby noses a bottle cap, pivots, and bowls over in a tiny tumble that somehow looks choreographed. Meanwhile, a mischievous terrier learns to fetch nothing but air, returning proudly with an empty paw and a puzzled grin. Their human laughs declares a new sport called chase and tumble, and the pets end with a whisker salute.